Out here at Northeastern University in Boston, kicking off a hackathon where we had participants build plugins for the open source library FiftyOne.
I have co-organized this hackathon with FiftyOne and TwelveLabs, and this is the third time that we are hosting that at Northeastern University. I mean, talking and working with FiftyOne, TwelveLabs, they know that what are the exciting problems out there, especially in video understanding.
Technology is changing so fast, right? I think a lot of what they learn in classes might not keep up to date with what's going on in industry. So by having involvement and exposure, they will be able to get their hands dirty and be more well-equipped for the job market.
The merge between the video understanding and the small data, which is the focus of my lab, actually allows the student to see the real application and real impact that advanced AI can have on the society.
Yeah, there's a lot of awesome plugins that were developed today, a lot of useful real-world applications, not only across industries, but even for your own personal life.
So we are actually trying to build educational semantic search. So this is going to help with the classification like shoplifting.
We are building a plugin to validate human label datasets.
Essentially what we're making is a plugin or maybe a mobile app that analyzes videos of someone doing exercise and compares it to reference houses to determine the quality of your form.
What it's going to look like that you can ask up questions like these.
These are the videos we're going to use to analyze.
So that type of real world experience that you can get via hackathons could substitute scenarios where maybe you're not able to get an internship, maybe you don't have job experience, or maybe you're a career transitioner. A hackathon is a perfect way for you to fill that gap in your resume.